Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I clapped. I don't know what that is about. But today I'm going to show you how to do a wave in your hair. Wave this baby. It's warming up as you can see. Basically, I'm just trying out this hairstyle. I'm going to do a tutorial on it tomorrow morning. So I just need to see how the wave will look with it. So, yeah, I'm going to use this amazing little heat protector. I feel like the freaking spider's gonna run out across the wall. So if I step off camera or scream, just know I've seen a spider. I have an issue with spiders right now. It's kind of weird. Last 4 days I've killed 2 spiders per day. This is the first day I haven't only killed one. I know. Yeah, 4 days. It's kind of freaky. Just freaking killed a spider with this morning. I stepped on it. Okay, I'm gonna spray my hair with this. Okay. Oh, my hand's wet. Y'all, perverted minds probably thinking, oh no, her hand's wet. What did she do? Try to freaking spray that with the cap still on. Oh, I got my back. You got my back. 40. Okay. Yeah, I did that. I got this from the Dollar Tree and it works amazingly. So, first screw. These hairs smell so good. Only thing my buns. They're freaking amazing. Okay. Please, I'm on my bra. It's 9 o'clock at night. I'm actually getting ready for bed. But I thought I'd just do this tutorial for y'all. So I don't know the different time zones. They actually break this section up. You don't want really too big. You want some. And they just curl my bangs. After they dry, I get paranoid with this stuff. I'm just gonna take a section about like this size. Yep, there we go. And then swipe wrap it around. Count to 15. 1, 2, 3. And then unwind. You have this pretty wave. I'm gonna do this other section back here. It really hot girl. Oh, that hurt. Okay. There's one side of it done. Bangs are not dry yet. But yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna do my hair's probably gonna be already waved. I'm just gonna pick these up. So this is actually kind of cute. Oh, it's depressing. Just gonna divide that up into sections again. Don't burn yourself with the curl. That's too big. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, it's too big. Oh, it feels nice. It's like, I don't know. I don't know what temperature it is right now, but tomorrow morning it's supposed to be like 54 degrees. I'm happy because I wear finals, but not happy for the coldness. To be that cold. I held that for. Oh, that's so much better. You want the smaller sections, so when you undo it, it looks like you took it out of a braid, but it lasts longer than a braid. Yes. I think I have to break up another section of this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Over here, I have more hair, so For some reason. I don't know. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hot girl. That was the rest of the section again. Oh. Two, three. I'm sorry, I can't speed this up. All the good editing programs are blocked on this Chromebook, and I can't download it onto the App Store and access it because that's blocked too. So, welcome to Farm Strong. Like the things around my face, I'm just gonna regularly curl it. So, 2, 3. With the smaller sections where I will actually go 10 seconds on them. Not even 10 seconds on some of them. But, it's like a baby with thingy. I don't know. We killed. Where did this go? There we go. It's really cute with like a ripped up tank top. Yeah, like the style. How like those tank tops that rip down the sides and the back. That would actually look really cute. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do this curly thingy, Miss Jiggy. Today's been a weird day. Got threatened earlier. Kind of funny threat. So, I hate my school a lot. No offense to people from that school are watching. Okay. There is this tutorial. I think I did everything right. But this is not that wavy. Oh well, it's good enough. My hair blends it up. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Yep. I'm gonna put my Snapchat actually down below. So if you want to get my drama, my hairstyles, everything, just add me Snapchat, I guess. But if you actually like this hairstyle, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do it on my half-up buns. I'm gonna actually take these out, I think, from the night. I want to get my hair all tangled. You know, I'm in love with these buns. And you know, it's not gonna be this great in the morning, probably. Until tomorrow morning, if I actually do the tutorial and I remember it and I get up early enough to do it. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching.